investor days actually have been pretty good this year for some consumer names. Starbucks and Levi's, just a couple examples of that.
Again, there's this great anomaly. The Fed wants rates lower. The individual companies are doing very well, with the exception of some techs. Now, I pulled up with Patrice Louvet, the CEO. They are doing remarkable things. Stock sells at 10 times earnings. But you know what, Carl? People will not care until the tightening is done. They'll just watch the thing go lower, and you'll say to yourself, well, when can I buy it? And the answer is you can't buy it until the Fed's done. But, boy, are they doing well. I think that's a great company.
Till the Fed is done, or do you think people start buying when the pace of tightening slows? I don't think you're calling for another 75 after this month.
No. I think that if the Fed did what's prudent, which is say, you know what, we have just put through 3 bang-up rate increases. Now we got to see what happens. Then you buy a Ralph Lauren, because Ralph Lauren's doing incredibly well, and it's at 10 times earnings. That's not sustainable. It's not sustainable to have a terrific company at 10 times earnings that is doing everything right with a good balance sheet. It's just not sustainable. So, Carl, add Ralph Lauren to the list of a company you want to buy after the Fed's spoken.
It's kind of funny to sit here, look at the graph, and then look up and see him. See Ralph Lauren right there while we're looking here. That's a first.
He's an icon. Yes. I mean, you think about the brand, what started in '69 or something like that, surviving after every fashion cycle over the decades. I mean, it is kind of incredible, Jim.
They have a fantastic outfit in China. I think of all the CEOs that have come and gone in this company, this man is really terrific. Now, David, you're going to absolutely just love this. I know you are. He has adopted the metaverse. So if you go into the metaverse that Mark Zuckerberg has, you can go into a Ralph Lauren store and you can order and take a look at how you feel. Now, he's an early adopter, David, an early adopter to the metaverse.
I didn't know that. I
try to stay abreast of things.
Can you try on clothes in the metaverse?
Exactly.
See how they feel?
Yes. Yes, the answer is how you feel is somewhat subjective. But I do think that if you want to go and you want to try on, say, 34 jeans, that is the place to do it.
Got it. Okay, as we watch you and Zuckerberg playing patty cake again.
Well, yeah. Wait, his stock has gone down 50 points since we played patty cake.
Yeah, although up today, one of the rare names that's in the green. Although I'm seeing a little bit of green.
Wait a second.
Up today.
Wait a second.
Up today. Meta is up 0.5%.
No, how long can... It's up today?
So far.
Right now. Off of 146, but
Early.
Yeah, not exactly. Not down 56% for the year, as you see in the upper right corner.
They call them the Ravens.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.